You're listening to the new single from
Dougie Fresh.
This is
Calculus Video.
coming at you on the Hot Power 96.9 Box The Jam.
Beat.
Calculus, the final frontier. These are the strategies of the Cowan AP Calculus students. Its two-semester mission: to explore new limits, to seek out new derivatives and new integrals, to boldly go where no student has gone before. Here are major topics in calculus and how you should handle them. Number 1. Limits.
Pro tip: you can solve limits in this order. If there's a graph, can I find it there? If not, can I just plug in the value? Can anything be factored out of the limit so that I can plug in that value? Do I need L'Hopital's rule even though the AP test says I don't?
Number 2. Derivatives.
Pro tip: there's a lot easier ways to do derivatives than just doing limits every time. Make sure to follow these in specific rules. Number 1, the power rule. Number 2, the product or quotient rules. Number 3, the chain rule. And don't forget, trigonometric functions have their own rules.
Number 3. Integrals.
Pro tip: integrals are basically the opposite of derivatives. They are even called anti-derivatives, dog. Man, as long as you know simple derivatives, you can do the easiest of integrals. Man, but don't forget to add that young C.
Number 4. How to do anything.
Pro tip: here's a few things to look at when you're doing any calculus problem. First, you gotta figure out what the question is asking, and then do whatever you can to find that variable, homie. Make sure you know area formulas, and volume formulas, and angles, and growth. Those are pretty important. Yo, velocity is the derivative of distance, and acceleration is the derivative of velocity. If you're ever looking for a rate of something, just do a derivative of whatever formula they give you. If you ever need to do the reverse, just do an integral. And after that, it's just algebra.
This might seem like a lot if you're just beginning the calculus quest, but with experience and these tips, you'll ace the AP Calculus test. The AP exam, the final frontier.
spies sapping my sentry.